Today I will tell you about how to change the pump drive of a Samsung washing machine. This is the indication. On the control panel, the machine is locked, the lock icon is lit. That means it can't be opened yet, so we'll start draining the water. Mine is started pumping poorly. After disassembling it, I realized that the impeller is loose. I just bought a new one, and we will be installing it. We turned the machine upside down and removed the bottom protective cover. The pump is right in front of us. To remove it, you need to disconnect two wires, remembering which is which. Remove the protection. Of the wires. And after that, here is the pump in front of us. And here there are 3 bolts securing the pump to the snail. Unscrew them. After that, by pulling the pump, we take out the device. Here is a normal coil winding. I checked, tested it. It is good, but very worn out. The flywheel of the impeller. It cannot be disassembled, so I had to insert a new one. It is completely identical, just a slightly different color. Now, it's important that they match all the screws, seals, and after that tighten with 3 with bolts. Screws. Avoid distortions. It fits snugly into its place. It sits well, with a slight tension. Still a new rubber band. You need to check that it's clean at the seating area. And after that, tighten it. Self-tapping screws. Evenly tighten them. Do not start one at the back because it will leak. It's not necessary to remove the snail. The main thing is to check the filter there to ensure it is not clogged. And there are no unnecessary deposits. Carefully tighten the self-tapping screw. And after that, connect the wires. Install the protection of the wires. A standard one will fit, of course, but it doesn't quite fit anymore. It's probably thicker here but it can work without protection. Let it work like that. The main thing is that it works. This is how you can change the pump without disassembling, without removing the impeller or the panel from the washing machine.